Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we are on yet another Crest. This is one of our Crest 220 Classic DLX models. So it is going to be a higher trim level, as you'll see with some of the diamond stitching and extra amenities on this boat. It is going to be a 22-foot length with a 13-person capacity. Some of the things that the DLX adds is this diamond stitch pattern along the accents of the seats. They'll also give you 4 movable cup holders on this boat, so 2 in the front and 2 in the back. This one is going to come equipped with our midship storage rack. So it'll give you a lockable space up here if you want to put any of your documentation on the boat. Nice little drawer here, and then a large drawer if you wanted to put some extra snacks and bottles in the boat. Here at the dash, you'll see the standard dash layout. You'll have the captain's cooled cup holder, couple accessory switches, interior lighting, nav lights, master power, and horn. Right above that will be our Fusion Bluetooth head unit, so you can play any of your music through this sound system. You have your depth meter, voltmeter, fuel, tachometer, and hour meter on this, so you can easily access all of your diagnostics. So we move to the back of the boat. It's going to be a reflection of the front, so you have the quad loungers here in the back. This boat is good up to 13 people, like I said. One thing that we've done different on this boat is we've optioned this to have a larger motor. So this is going to be a Mercury 225 horsepower motor with a 48-gallon fuel tank. So this gives you everything you need to go fast, pull tubes, pull skiers, and have a full day out on the lake. If you're interested in this Crest or any of the other model offerings or have some questions about the brand, feel free to call me or anyone at our Cumming, Georgia location.